everyone. How are you, all of you? All are fine? Okay. So today we are going to learn our new English topic that will be a song. Guess which type of song it will be? I will give you some clue. You love many of songs, that is traditional songs, folk songs, but there are some songs which your mother sung when you were a child and that time you are not sleeping. Okay? Can you guess what we call it as? Yes, आपण मराठीत त्याला काय म्हणतो? अंगाई गीत. बरोबर. So today we are going to study one lullaby. त्यालाच आपण मराठीत आपण म्हणतो अंगाई गीत. तर आपल्या 7वीच्या पुस्तकामध्ये आपली एक कविता आहे स्लीप बेबी स्लीप. एक ही ललबाय आहे म्हणजेच अंगाई गीत आहे. तर तिचा आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. चला तर मग शिकायची कविता. चला आपण सुरू.
Now we are going to our poem Sleep Baby Sleep. At first I will read all the poem and then we will go through one stanza one by one. Okay? So here we go. First, sleep baby sleep, your father herds his sheep, your mother shakes the little tree from which fall pretty dreams on thee. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep, the heavens are white with sheep, for they are lamps, those stars so bright, and the moon's shepherd of the night. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep, and I will give thee a sheep, which with its golden bell shall be a little playfellow for thee. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep, and bleat not like a sheep, or else the shepherd's angry dog will come and bite my naughty rug. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep, go out and herd the sheep, go out you barking black dog go, and waken not my baby so. Sleep baby sleep. Okay, so we have read aloud this poem. Okay, so now we will go for one by one what is given in the stanza. Okay, all of you know this is a traditional lullaby, means it is a quick and soothing song that is used to lull a child to sleep. Okay, म्हणजेच आपण मराठीमध्ये त्याला म्हणतो की अंगाई गीत आहे. चला तर मग इंग्लिश मधली ही अंगाई गीत आपण बघूया. So we will go first one by one. First stanza. Sleep baby sleep, your father herds his sheep, your mother shakes the little tree from which fall pretty dreams on thee. Sleep baby sleep. Here a mother is telling her baby that your father is herding his sheep, means he is taking care of his sheep, and your mother shakes the little tree from which fall pretty dreams on thee. Here the meaning of thee is you. Okay, means that is a child. Okay, so here she is telling that your father is herding his sheep and your mother is shaking the little tree, and from that on your pretty types of dreams will fall on you, and then you will have a good sleep, you will have a sweet sleep. म्हणजे तुझे जे वडील आहेत ते त्याच्या मेंढ्यांची काळजी घेत आहेत आणि तुझी जी आई आहे ना ती एका झाडाला हाणून छानपैकी छान छोट्या छोट्या अशा सुंदर स्वप्नांचा वर्षाव तुझ्यासाठी तुझ्या अंगावर करणार आहे आणि ते झाडाला हलवण्यावर ते स्वप्न तुझ्यावरती पडणार आहेत, म्हणून ते तू स्वप्न पहा आणि छान झोपी जा. स्लीप बेबी स्लीप. Okay, next stanza. Sleep baby sleep, the heavens are white with sheep, for they are lamps, those stars so bright, and the moon's shepherd of the night. Sleep baby sleep. आई आपल्या बाळाला काय म्हणते बघा. She is telling that these heavens are white with sheep. Heaven means what? स्वर्ग, आपल्याला माहिती आहे. So these heavens are white with sheep. Here the ships are very white and their lambs means what? Yes, their young ones, that is त्यांचं कोकरू. Okay, this heaven is a white with sheep. हे स्वर्ग जे आहे हे एकदम छान अशा पांढऱ्या मेंढ्यांनी भरलेलं आहे and those they are having small lamps there. These are like a stars. जसं आकाशामध्ये चंद्र असतो आणि चंद्राच्या शेजारी त्याच्या चांदण्या असतात, त्याच पद्धतीने like the same here the lamps are stars over there and these are so bright and the moon's shepherd of the night. shepherd म्हणजे काय? बरोबर, मेंढपाळ. ज्या पद्धतीने चंद्र हा आपल्या चांदण्यांची काळजी करतो ना, त्याच पद्धतीने या रात्रीचा जो चंद्र आहे, म्हणजे या रात्रीचा जो चंद्र आहे हा मेंढपाळ आहे आणि तो आपल्या मेंढ्यांची म्हणजे कोकरांचीच ज्या पद्धतीने चंद्र हा चांदण्याची काळजी घेतो, त्याच पद्धतीने मेंढपाळ आपल्या कोकरांची सुद्धा काळजी घेतो. म्हणून बाळा तू अशा छान स्वर्गामध्ये छान या व्हाईट शिप सोबत झोपी जा. स्लीप बेबी स्लीप. थर्ड स्टँजा. Sleep baby sleep, and I will give you the ship with which its golden bell shall be a little playfellow for thee. Sleep baby sleep. The mother is telling to her child that I will give you a ship. Thee, here the meaning of thee is you, means the child. So she is telling that she will give a ship to him, and with its golden bell. The ship is having a golden bell with it, so from with whom he or she can play with it, means it should be a fellow for you. means तुला एक सवंगडीच आहे. कोण? तर ही जी मेंढी आहे ना, या मेंढीच्या गळ्यातली जी गोल्डन बेल आहे ना, ती तुझ्यासाठी एक छानसं खेळणं आहे आणि तुझ्यासाठी एक सवंगडीच आहे. म्हणून या सवंगडीसोबत तू खेळत जा आणि छानसं तू झोपी जा. You have to play with you this fellow. For you I have a little play fellow for you. So this is a golden bell. So you have to play with that golden bell and you have to fall asleep with it. Okay? So that is the meaning of that third stanza. Now we'll go for the fourth stanza. Sleep baby sleep and bleat not like a sheep, or else the shepherd's angry dog will come and bite my naughty rug. Sleep baby sleep. So mother is telling to her child that please don't be bleat like a sheep. म्हणजे एखादी sheep कशी ओरडते, आवाज काढते, that is it is called it as bleat. Bleat means making a winging sound. Okay, मेंढी कशी ओरडते. So please don't bleat like a sheep. Okay, so or else what will happen? The shepherd's angry dog will come and will bite my naughty rug. म्हणजे हा जो माझा खोडकर मुलगा आहे ना, ह्याने जर ऐकलं ना, यांनी तू जर आवाज केला ना, सो व्हॉट विल हॅपन? हा जो मेंढपाळाचा एकदम रागावलेला हा कुत्रा आहे आणि तो येईल आणि तो येऊन माझ्या बाळाला चावेल. म्हणून त्या बाळाला माझ्या चावण्याच्या अगोदर, माझ्या बाळाने आवाज करण्याच्या अगोदर बाळा तू छान झोपी जा. आणि जर तू झोपी गेला नाही ना, तर मेंढपाळाचा जो अँग्री डॉग आहे, he will come and bite you. Okay, so baby please you fall asleep. Okay, and the last stanza. Sleep baby sleep, go out and herd the sheep, go out you barking black dog go, and waken not my baby so. Sleep baby sleep. Okay, so in the last stanza what she is saying? Go out and herd the sheep, go out you barking black dog. Okay, she is telling her child that please you go out and herd the sheep. बघ तू त्या मेंढ्यांची काळजी घे. आणि what she is telling to the dog? A black barking dog, that is a black in color. So a barking black dog, please don't come over here, go out, otherwise you will waken my baby. म्हणजे तू माझ्या बाळाला जागवशील. म्हणून सगळ्यांना ती म्हणते की तुम्ही जा आणि तुमच्या मेंढ्यांची काळजी घ्या, त्यांच्याकडे बघा. आणि हे जे भुंकणारे काळे कुत्रे आहेत ना, तुम्ही पण जा रे बाबांनो, नाहीतर माझ्या बाळाला तुम्ही उठवून द्या. So she is telling to the dog and the sheep to go out because she wants her baby to sleep calmly. So that was the meaning of this poem. So it is a poem which is written by Anonymous. Anonymous means what? The poet who is not want to show his identity. Okay, so that's time we are writing the name of the writer like Anonymous. Okay, and next now we will go for the difficult words in that poem. Okay, all of you have gone through the poem. So what are the difficult words, what are the new words which you have heard in this poem? So we will see one by one. The first word, that is herds. What is the meaning of herds? Yes, herds means looks after the sheep. When we are taking care of the sheep, that we call it as herds. Okay. Next word, that is shepherd. Shepherd, all of you know, the one man or a woman who take care of sheep, about their food, about their water, cleaning of them, all the hygiene. Okay, so that they are called it as shepherd. मराठीमध्ये आपण त्यांना म्हणतो मेंढपाळ. Okay, so that was the second word. Third word we will see, that is the main word, D. Okay, have you never listened this word D? Because we are using the word only the, right? So here we are using D. D means what? You. Here the mother is telling her child, that is D means you. Okay, so here preferably it is for the child. Next is heavens. Heavens means what? आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, स्वर्ग आपण म्हणतो. But here the meaning of heaven is the sky. We have seen that in the stanza that in the sky the stars are bright and the moon is also there taking care of their stars. So the same way the shepherd is also taking care of their lambs. Okay, so here the meaning of the heaven is sky. Next one is bleat. Bleat means, yes, make a winning sound. आपण मेंढ्या कसा आवाज काढतो त्या पद्धतीने आवाज काढणे, त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो bleat, making a sound, winning sound. And last one, that is rug. Here rug, it is mean a child who does not do what is asked. Means आपण म्हणतो ना, खोडकर जे सांगितलेलं आहे ते करत नाही. So that is call it as rug. Okay, so all of this about the poem. Okay, so now you have to sing the song in the rhythm. Okay, and we will go for the next words, that is rhyming words. So in this poem we can go through the rhyming words. Okay, so you have to pick up the rhyming words. Okay, so this is about the Sleep Baby Sleep poem. I think all of you have understood or not? Yes, okay.
All of you have understood this poem? Yes. So now there is a one homework for you. So you have to remember one song, that is the action song. So this action song you have to perform in front of your mother or father, and you have to shoot it, or if you are not having mobile, just only show to our parents and take a feedback from that. Okay, so that will be your homework. So we will go for the next session in the next episode. Thank you.